Binance Entity Account Verification Problem. So if you're facing an issue on Binance Entity Account Verification, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection, that you've connected to an internet service. Next, you want to go and open up your Binance application. When you open up your Binance application, you'll be taken to the home page. So right over here, you just need simply click on Verify Identity. So basically, if you're facing an issue or having trouble with the verification, or that you don't know how to verify your Binance Entity account, then this video will help you. So first of all, what you need to do is click on the Verify option. After that, it will take you to this kind of page, and you can follow and complete in just a few minutes, like just 5 minutes. So first thing is it requires a personal ID, like government issued ID. So first you need to go and select your residence, and then your document issuing country or your region, and then your document type like your ID or your passport, and go with continue, which will be on the bottom. After that, it will take you to the document verification section. You need to take pictures, you can upload your photos, and you need to also provide the passport information page. Make sure that you're using the original ID, no copies or screenshots are accepted, and ensure all the information is visible, and turn off all the beauty filters or photo enhancements to avoid rejection. Once done, you can go with continue again, which will be on the bottom. After that, it will ask you for your date of birth, and then once done with your document verification, it might need a couple of seconds, and then it might ask you for some further information. You can go and proceed with the following steps, and it will verify your account. That's how you can verify your Binance Entity account verification. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.